Let's make sourdough bread. I have here old starter, which was in the fridge for a couple of weeks. I need to feed him and then we will see what happens. So this is how it looks at the moment. So we will add 50 grams of flour, strong white flour, and 50 grams of water. And we mix them. So we will leave on the countertop for 4 to 6 hours and then we will see. So look what we have it now. It's double it. Yeah, look. Oh nice, lovely. We can start making our sourdough bread. Let's make it. Okay, we will mix 500 grams of flour with 330 grams of water. And now we mix. We can leave this to rest for half an hour, 30 to 40 minutes should be fine, and then we will add the starter and the salt and honey if you want. So now we need to add 100 grams of starter and 10 grams of salt. So you need to wet your hands and then just knead the dough. After we will leave to rest for 40 minutes and we will do stretch and fold 4 times. This is the first stretch and fold, so after that we leave it to rest for 40 minutes. This is the last stretch and fold. After this we leave the dough for 4 to 6 hours on the countertop in the room temperature. So after 6 hours you will see our dough is doubled in size. And you will see there is lots of bubbles, which is very good sign. So now we need to shape our dough. Simple moves, we need to shape our dough in a bowl and leave it to rest for 30 minutes before we put it in a basket. After resting, we shape our dough again in the shape of ball and then we put it in a basket. So now we need to cover our dough and put it in the fridge overnight. So, look at this. So many bubbles. Okay. These special tools, we will cut it, the bread. In the meantime, you need to preheat Dutch oven. So basically you need to heat up the oven 250 degrees for 40 minutes. My Dutch oven is preheated. It's very hot. Let's put that inside. Okay, I'm adding as well ice. Ice will make the dough softer and crispier. now we wait for 20 minutes, 220 degrees, and we will see. So now we will put for 20 more minutes, open it. Before cutting the bread, leave it to rest at least for 1 hour to cool it down in a wire rack.